have no sound. I don't know why. I don't know why. When is this gonna be over? Get that out of my face. Ooh. Oh. I wish I could get in the car and just like take off. Oh, I can't take off. Can this car even go faster? Go! Go faster! I don't have a good feeling about this, so I just jumped off. Okay. No. Whoa. Whoa. No. Y'all actually think it's safe? Is that crazy? Jump in. I'm gonna get in. What's mean? Let me get in. Go now. Go, you idiot. We all in. Go. That's my car anyway. Go. Go. Oh. Wow. Oh. No. Where blue dude at? Couldn't get him. Come on, let's fight. Come on. What up? Yeah, I'm taller than you. Get out my way, dude. I'm not a fight. You're not the only one. I'm fast too. I could get through that step and like, No! Restart character. No! So I have to... That's not fair. I want to jump through the blood. See, they having life and I'm just in here waiting. I'm just waiting. Oh. Yay, I'm not the only... How did you get up? What is it? It's after raining. You suck. Where did he just go? I'll jump over you. Come on. I'm gonna fight. It's boring. Yay, come on. What is this? Move. 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 Guess. I wonder why you would guess. You're dumb. You're dumb. Move. Oh, God. Oh, wait. Okay, Surf Central. I'm fast. I'm the fastest. I'm gonna get there first. Move. Dang it. Come on. What? I'm already losing life. It's a sandstorm. Go, move. Oh, y'all dumb. Yeah, he's smart. Just move your lips. If I die, no, I'm not gonna go out and die. How am I outside? I should be inside. What? I don't know. That's not fair. Double disaster. Okay. I'm getting under there. I hope it's a tent suit. Dang it, I gotta. I was late. I've been okay. What is the disaster gonna be? I wanna know. I'm going in there. Freak. Hurry up, y'all. Y'all slow. Is that creek? I hope it's a flash. What is it? So what is it? Acid rain? Really? I think it's acid rain. I'm gonna get in there. That's how you dead. Ha ha. And you dead. Dang. It's a flash. Oh my God. I don't want to die. I'm gonna die. No. I'm gonna die. Shoot. No. I'm dead. No. I'm drowning. I'm drowning. I'm not dead yet. Stay like this. Oh my God, I'm dead. Okay, it was no survivors. Wait, weren't we were just here. Come on. Come on. Just. What? What is it? Yeah, that's how you fail. I was trying to be smart. But you're not, you're actually dumb. Yes, I'm in here. A glitter? Yay! I'm the safest. Y'all not safe. Don't get in here, Whoop. Why are you in here with me? No, leave. I want to be alone. But I think this place is falling apart. Is it falling apart? No! Just have to die. I just have to die. Okay, here I am. I'm doing Lucky Mart. No, I own this place, so I should be doing the computer stuff. What is it? Get up there. How do we get up there? It's a sandstorm. I want to leave Lucky Mart. I'm dying. No. I'm back in Lucky Mart. I can't see. Lucky Mart. The roof is falling. I want to get on there. Oh my God. I have to get back in. I need to get on the roof. I need to get on it. No. What? I said I want to get on the roof. Get up. Dang. Lucky Mart. I survived. So bye. Yes. My time is almost up for my videos. I can only do 15 minutes. I don't know why. I just can. So bye.